Let's learn 5 phrasal verbs with pull. Firstly, pull away. This means a vehicle starts moving, distance yourself from someone, or gain a lead. For example, I've pulled away in the final furlong. I could win this. Next is pull down. This means demolish something or pull to the floor. For example, don't pull your trousers down, open your zip. Pull into. This means when a vehicle arrives at a place, or attract or draw something in. For example, you can't pull into that space, it's too small. Pull someone up on something. This means to criticize or correct someone. For example, I'm late again. My boss will definitely pull me up on this. And finally, pull to. This means close a door, window, or similar object by pulling it gently. For example, pull the door to before you go. I don't want the cat escaping. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.